Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Use a 64-bit Java runtime and allocate 8 GB of RAM in the Minecraft launcher. Once done, update your GPU driver and switch your OS power plan to high performance to avoid CPU/GPU throttling. Then close resource-hungry background apps and disable overlays like Discord or GeForce Experience. Make sure you free at least 10% of system RAM before launching Minecraft. This prevents paging and gives the game headroom to maintain steady frames. You now change in-game and mod settings for sustained FPS. Install Optifine or Sodium. These mods restructure rendering and memory use. Set render distance to 812 chunks, switch clouds and fancy graphics off, and reduce particles and entity render distance. Turn off VSync and set max FPS to uncap to avoid frame caps, then enable performance options like chunk culling or fast math. These adjustments reduce GPU and CPU workload while preserving playable visuals, so frame drops become less frequent. You finish by validating the fixes and handling persistent drops. Run a lightweight profiler mod or check Task Manager to identify CPU, GPU, or disk spikes while playing. Test a fresh vanilla world to determine whether mods or a corrupted world cause drops. If stutters continue, roll back recent mods or GPU driver updates and retest. One key troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, create a clean launcher profile with only essential mods and 64-bit Java to isolate and eliminate conflicting mod or JV.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.